What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at CARTESI. Not a coin that I've covered much here on the channel, but I figured it would be worth taking a look at here, guys. Guys, make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community here. Awesome growing crypto community. Awesome subscribers. Appreciate each and every one of you, by the way. Thank you all. We're almost to 6,000 subscribers, guys. So join the community here at Average Joe Crypto. Check the links in the description. And we'll jump right on into the update. All right, guys, so currently CARTESI is trading at about 89 cents and does look like to me that we are starting to form a beautiful long-term pattern here on the 4-hour chart for CARTESI. So what we're going to do next, put in a possible price prediction for CARTESI here, as well as take a look at our support and resistance levels. So stick around so you don't miss anything. Make sure you watch the video all the way through. All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm noticing, of course, would be this measured move of this potential pattern here on the 4-hour chart for CARTESI. And if we just do our basic, simple measured move price prediction here, if we were to come out and break out here soon, over here at a potential breakout point, it's looking like we could actually get us up here to potentially in and around $2.30. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and throw in an area to pay attention to up here for CARTESI, and then next we're going to point out our support and resistance levels and also the possible scenarios that we might see potentially play out here if we do not break out of this pattern. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and put in a label up here at our potential target, about $2.28, $2.30 or so, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at our potential resistance and support levels. It does look like we're currently testing one area of resistance right now in the current price action. That's right here at about 95 cents. Right there in and around 95 cents. Does seem to be some significant resistance in the past. You can see how nicely we did play as resistance back there here, and then also back here in the previous price action as well. So we're currently testing that now. You see that we have seen a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a retrace there. But we're also going to zoom in on the shorter term price action to see what exactly is going on and whether it's looking like we are going to actually break up here or break down and possibly retest our support. And first, we will take a look at our possible support levels before taking a look at the shorter term price action. So potential support levels here, if we just go by our current price history here, you can see that we did have lots of support and resistance potentially right here in this general area near 72 cents. So I'm going to put a line in there at about 72 cents, give or take. 72 to 75 cents potentially. And then of course we would also have our support down here. Looks like at about 49. Let's just go ahead and say about 49 to 50 cents there. Potentially would also be support. So we'll put a line in there at about 49 to 50 cents as well. And that gives us our basic areas of support to look at if we do not get a nice break of this downtrend. So in other words, if we were to come up and get rejected by this as resistance, we could potentially come out here and bounce and then break to the upside here for CARTESI, breaking up out of this downtrend pattern. Or we could also potentially get rejected, fall down and retest our current uptrend support line. All right, guys, next we're going to go ahead and drop it down to the hourly, and then we might even go as low as the 15-minute time frame here just to take a look at the immediate short term. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tick that notification bell so you always get notified. Joining the Discord also gets you notified at every time I upload and every time I go live. So make sure you join the Discord. Check all the links in the description as well. Now, if we look at the short term, like I said, let's go ahead and take it down even shorter. Let's go to the 15-minute just to look at what's going on here. All right, so you can see that during this consolidation here in the short term, we have rested on our moving averages. One thing I'd like to point out is this blue line here. That's called the LSMA indicator, least squares moving average. That's a pretty good indicator. I was actually turned on to this by one of my subscribers. Shout out Fade Master for pointing this indicator out for us because it's a pretty nice indicator, honestly. And you can see that we are above that currently, still catching resistance here on this current downtrend here in the immediate short term. We do have a potential target here to measure move of this right here. As always, not financial or investment advice, guys. Do your own research, invest at your own risk. disclaimer down below. But if we were to come up and pop up out of this right now, this measure move would get us a perfect retest of our previous resistance. That's also a test of that downtrend that we need to break, guys, to see that nice, beautiful measure move play out. It does look like we are trying to see this reverse here, guys. Really looking like it's wanting to. You're resting above these key moving averages on the short term. However, it does seem to be showing signs of resistance on this downtrend line of resistance. So we could potentially see this fill out just a little bit more. But like I said, if we do drop, we have support to look at here in the immediate short term, 80 cents. Then of course we have, this would be our support line down here, so 85 cents. And then our moving average down here at about 77, right there at that 75-cent range that we were talking about earlier. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick update on CARTESI. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're new, smash that like button, join the community here. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.